Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can make money online using very simple strategies. And one of the strategies we are going to look at is the fast money strategy. Fast money because we're going to do what we call trading. Okay, you trade online. You can trade any assets online that can give you the fast money that you need to start your journey online, because most people come online and they quit their online endeavors as soon as they are not able to make money fast enough. So in the Smart Wolf Club community, we train you very important strategies. One of the strategies that can allow you to succeed online is the fast money strategy. Okay, there is 3 strategies that we teach our members so they can be successful online. One of the strategies is what I'm talking about right now, which is the fast money strategy. The second strategy is what we call the content strategy. Okay, this is like long-term, passive type of thing. And then the third strategy is the technology strategy. Now, those are the 3 strategies that you must have to succeed online. And for those of you who have been scouring the online space, trying to find opportunities to make quick bucks or make money quickly, let me tell you, I'm not a financial advisor right now. I'm not going to give you any financial advice. What I'm sharing with you guys is my experience, and any of our coaches in the community going to share their experiences. None of us is a financial advisor. If you need a professional financial advisor, you need to seek licensed individuals. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you guys, you can take this, do your own research, do your own due diligence, and never risk more money or any investment that you cannot afford to lose. Okay? If you want to be successful in any venture, any businesses, either it's online or offline, always go into the deals knowing that you stand a chance, you stand a risk of losing your entire or part of your investment. Okay, with that in mind, you are not going to be afraid, to be fearful, to be unprepared when you lose, because you're going into these deals knowing that there's a high chance you could lose your entire investment or part of it. Okay. Now, if you don't know that, if you can't appreciate that, then you are not cut for this entrepreneurship type of thing. Okay. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's an offline or online business, there's a risk of you losing your entire investment or part of it. Okay. If you look around, if you talk to people who are very successful, they'll tell you they have lost many times, they have failed many times. But each time you fail or you fall, you get up, dust yourself, and move on. Okay. Now, what I'm saying is, before you get excited, because I've been training for many years. Some of us have been online since 1999. We have a lot of coaches on here from all over the world. We've been to so many countries of the world. We have coaches from everywhere. Tajimoto is on here from Tokyo, Japan, very successful. We've been working with us for over 15 years. We have Roseanne here from New York. We have, who's been with us over 12 years. She's been with Marcelina from Madrid, Spain. She's been with us for over 12 years. Mr. Scott, from London, UK, over 15 years. Jose from Sacramento, California, over 15 years. Moses from Lagos, Nigeria, over 12 years. Malemala from Cape Town, South Africa, over 12 years. We have Jorgensen joining us from Denmark, over 12 years. Josephine from Sydney, Australia, over 15 years. We have Mr. Baker, who is joining us from Atlanta, Georgia, in the United States, over 17 years. We have CERN, who is joining us from Singapore, who's been with us for over 12 years. Mr. Singh from Bombay, India, who has been with us for over 15 years. Ahmed, who's joining us from Dubai, UAE, over 5 years. I mean, so we have coaches from all over the world. From Brazil, we have Rodriguez joining us from Rio, who's been with us for over 12 years. Rosemary joining us from Toronto, Canada, over 12 years. We have Mary joining us from Vancouver, Canada, over 12 years. We have Andrew joining us from Miami, Florida, over 8 years, and many, many, many more. There's almost 1,000 people on here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can make money online steadily. Okay, a steady income by learning and adopting our first money strategy. Now, under the first money strategy, we teach you skills like trading. Okay, under trading, we teach you skills like trading Forex, trading binary options, trading stocks, trading crypto, okay, which is the in thing now. Crypto is very volatile, guys. So anytime you're going into any of these investments, just know that you stand a chance, the risk of losing part of your investment or the entire investment. And of course, the risk to reward, if you apply some of the strategies that we are using, because we are doing this every day. Okay, so most of us are in the trenches. That's why we are not known, like most people would say. We are not influencers. You don't see us on YouTube. You don't see a lot of us on Instagram, because we've been doing this for many years. But during the pandemic, we decided we're going to train this and share this with the masses for free. Okay, so if you're all watching this on YouTube and you have not subscribed to our channel, the Smart Wolf Club channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So that will help us, reach more people. YouTube will share this information with a lot of folks out there. I know a lot of folks are hurting, a lot of folks are suffering, a lot of folks are looking for ways to make money online, and they don't know how to do it because there's a lot of noise online. There's a lot of shiny objects online. This person is talking about crypto, making millions overnight. Trust me, it doesn't happen, okay? They don't tell you that unless you're winning a lottery or something, and the odds of you winning a lottery are so low, okay? Some people say you'd rather, the chances are higher that you'll be struck by lightning than you're going to win a lottery, okay? That's how poor the odds are. The odds are against you, but so when somebody comes here and tells you they're showing you how they make $1 million overnight, then we are not promising you any riches here. Okay, we don't preach that. You have to put the work. You have to learn the skill. Okay, it doesn't take long, because if you're working with somebody who is experienced and they're showing you over the shoulder, they tell you where to step. When they step, you step. Okay, then you're going to learn faster. Okay, most people lack mentors. Somebody who's going to show you, somebody who's already been there, has gone through this. They're going to shortcut your success. And that's what we are trying to do here by giving you this training. Okay. So guys, before I continue and belabor the point, I just want to make it clear so that you guys, your expectations are clear, that we are not promising you any quick riches here. Okay. If you're looking for those, you are in the wrong community. In the Smart Wolf Club community, we depend on, we believe in working hard, learning the concepts, learning the strategies, and applying the concepts, and following, having the proper mindset, having the proper expectations. And that's why I want to set the expectations clearly in the beginning. Whatever I'm going to show you here is not going to make you rich overnight. Okay. Now, if you master the strategies, you can become a very, very successful trader. For example, I'm going to show you the trading Forex. Okay. This strategy that I'm going to show you here is the fast money strategy. And in this case, we're going to be trading Forex. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And I will not spend a lot of time belaboring the point. This is for beginners and even for advanced traders. Okay. We have some people here who are doing well already. They are trading prop firm money. The people here who are trading huge accounts. So just sit back and watch. And if you have any questions, put them on the chat box. And now, if you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel. Very, very important, because we're going to be following this series with a lot of training, free trainings. Okay. You don't need your credit card. Okay. So now what I'd request you to do, the resources that you need to follow this training is you need a TradingView account. Okay. I'm going to put the link in the description. It is free. TradingView is free. We are using the free version, but if you want to upgrade to the pro version, you can do that. And the link is in the description. I put the link in the description for you guys. Go ahead and open an account. You just need your name and your email address. Okay. And go ahead and open a TradingView account. Okay. So once you go to TradingView, then just come to where it says Smart Charts. Okay. So Smart Charts, you can click on the Smart Charts. And what we have here is the Forex. Okay. So we have we are trading Forex. Okay, you know, Forex is basically pairs. We are trading the currencies, GBP against the US dollar. Forex is basically money exchange. You know, when you exchange one currency to another, the differences is what we are talking about here, buying the British pound using the dollar. Okay, so basically here at the moment you can see, if we look at this candle right here, you can see here at that level, you can see right now here, it is 1.28175. Okay, so one British pound is 1.28175 US dollars. Okay. So we're going to take advantage of those differences in the currencies when we pair up these these currencies, and that's how we're going to make our money. Okay. So basically, if you guess the direction correctly, if you guess that this pair is going to go down, if this value is going to go down, if you guess that correctly, then you make a profit. Now, if it turns around and goes the other way against your prediction, then you stand a chance of losing your funds. Okay. So when you're trading, you deposited your money into an account, a broker, okay, Forex broker. There are many, okay. I'm going to put a few of them in the description. Go ahead and open accounts. It's free to open the accounts. All you have to do, and then once you learn this strategy, you can transfer funds into the broker and start trading following the strategies that we are going to teach you. So subscribe to the channel so you can have chance to learn some of the strategies that we use. Okay, we don't use a lot of strategies because, again, you got to find one or two or three strategies that work for you, and you are going to work with those, practice with those. And if you don't believe it, one or two strategies, or even focus on a pair. Like now, we mainly focus on the GBP USD. Occasionally, we go to other pairs, but most of the time we are trading the GBP USD. One pair can feed your family beyond your imagination, okay? One pair, if you trade it successfully, there's enough to go around each one of us, okay? There's no fear of saturation. That's why I can comfortably share this video for free on YouTube, okay? Because I know 99% of you who are going to watch this training are not going to take any action. And that's why a lot of people have failed in life, is because they watch the trainings, or they attend the webinars, they attend the seminars, they attend the colleges, but they do not apply the skills that they learn just because of lack of they lack the FCC. We talk about the FCC in the Smart Wolf community. When we're talking about your proper mindset, we talk about the FCC, where FCC stands for, F stands for focus, the C stands for confidence, and the other C stands for consistency. So most people lack focus, most people lack confidence, and most people lack consistency. Okay, they might have the focus, they might be confident, but they lack consistency. They do it 1 month, 2 weeks, 3, 4 weeks, and then they start giving excuses and they quit or they don't succeed, because this you have to do consistently. We do this, we've been doing this for many, many years, most of us, okay? And for those of my students that have gone through my trainings, I do see the difference. You know, the ones that have the FCC, those that have the focus, the confidence, and the consistency, they do well, okay? Some of the coaches on here were my students, and some of them are very successful because they separated themselves from the masses. They became very focused, they developed the confidence, and they became very, very consistent. So for you to succeed in anything, it doesn't matter what it is, okay? I can't be here and telling you it's just in Forex where you require this. No, you require that in everything that you do in life, basically. Forex trading, crypto trading, digital marketing, online digital marketing, e-commerce stores, running an Etsy store, running a Shopify store, advertising online, YouTube, creating a YouTube channel, monetizing your YouTube channel, offering virtual assistant services online, graphic designing, whatever it is that you're doing online or offline, you need the FCC. You need focus, you need the confidence, and you need the consistency. If you lack any of these ingredients, you are not going to succeed in any field, okay? Doesn't matter what it is. Even we have students here who are, let's say, doctors, for example. The most successful doctors are the ones who have been practicing in their field. They have the confidence, they have the consistency, then they have the focus. They focused on the field that they practice, field of their choice, and they become successful in those fields because they focus, they're confident, and they are consistent, okay? So if you jump from one strategy to another, you're not going to be successful, okay? If you jump from one pair to another, because the shiny object syndrome, I know most of us have suffered that, and it's because of our mindsets, okay? Somebody comes here and tells you, oh, okay, if you use this indicator, I made $1 million using this indicator. You want to try that indicator. Or I made $1 million trading at 1 a.m. You're going to try 1 a.m. Or I made $1 million trying trading at 6 a.m. You're going to try 6 a.m. Come on, pick one and stick to it, okay? The longer you stick to it, the more you practice, you get better each time, okay? We learn and you get better. So if you pick one pair, then you're going to learn so much about that pair, how that pair behaves, what times are the best time to enter the market, to take the trades. Is it the London session, the New York session? Okay, if it is the London session, what time? Is it at market opening or market closed, or during the middle of the day? Same thing with the New York. It opens at 9:30. Markets open between Monday to Friday, 9:30. Now, is it good to trade at 9:30 a.m. on Monday or 9:30 a.m. on Tuesday? So you focus on one pair or two pairs at most, and you understand the psychology of the market, the buyers and the sellers. All these things you're seeing here, the candles. When we see a red candle, means the buyers, the psychology of the market. When you see the green candle, it means when we see the red candle, the sellers. The sellers are winning this here because it started from the top of the candle and closed at the bottom of the candle. That's sellers pushing the market down. Then the green candle here is the buyers' psychology here. We have to understand the psychology of the people here. So there are more people buying at this time. So it started down here and closed up here, okay? So when is the best time to buy? The best time to buy is when the pair is dumping, when the pair is down here. Not at the top. You don't want to sell at the top. I mean, you don't want to buy at the top. You want to be selling at the top, okay? So that's why you can see I've put some arrows here and some blue lines here just to show you guys how this strategy is simple. And if you master this, it is enough to pay some of your bills, guys. All you have to do is practice and practice and practice. So first, you can start this on TradingView, okay? TradingView. So you're not risking any of your funds. You don't need your credit card. You don't need any money. Just go and practice the strategies there and see if that would succeed, okay? So basically what I'm saying, guys, is you have two indicators that we're going to use, okay? The first one here is the MACD. You can see here. And to get the indicators, you go up here, okay, right here. You click indicators, and if you type MACD, you will see the MACD here. It's the moving average convergence divergence. That's what it means, the MACD. Let these words not scare you. Basically, what we're going to use the MACD for is for confirmations, okay? We're going to use it to confirm our trades and decision, talking about confidence, so we can build our confidence. And then the other indicator that I'm going to use is the RSI, and you can see it's right here. The RSI is the relative index, strength index, this one right here, okay? And you can see I've added the RSI. You can see that just these two indicators, okay? So basically what we are looking at for the RSI is the divergency, okay? So when it's closer up here, you know, there are more buyers. Buyers have come and pushed the pair up to the top, okay? And there's a chance that it's gonna start going down, because once the buyers get to push it to this level, the fatigue kicks in and the sellers will come in and start to push it down. But we are most interested in the divergency, okay? So if you can see at this point here, it's going up, right? It's above the 50, so that means it's up. But you can see it is going up. This level here is lower than the next level here, and then it starts going down. So this is the things that I'm interested in. And when it is going down, I also want to see that this point here is higher than this point, it's higher than this point, it's higher than this point, it's higher than this point. So I know at that particular time, if I take, if I make a put option, like I say that the market is going down, we call it a short when it comes to Forex, okay? If I take a short trade, okay, going down here, the market is going down, I'm bearish, okay? We talk about bulls and bears. Bulls is when the market is going up, that's bullish. Bearish is when the market is going down. So guys, learn these terms, okay? For beginners, you can get baby pips. You can watch the videos. You can watch the training for beginners where they're going to be teaching about candles, the basics of trading. So you know some of these terms. When I talk about the short sell and the long sell, okay? Long, when I'm taking a long, that means I'm bullish. So like this here was a long trade. I took a long trade here and it was in the money, okay? Because it hit our take profit within, with no problems, okay? And this tool here, this is the long tool. You can see it's right here, long position, this one here. So you click on that and you can bring it over there, okay? You can see that tool right there. And this can help you calculate your risk to reward ratio. Okay, very important, guys, because you don't want to risk more than you can afford to lose, okay? So again, when you're taking the trade, this is key because this is going to give you your targets. So you're going to know exactly how much risk to reward ratio is. We like to go for a 1 to 3, okay? Minimum, okay? 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Because that means even if you win 25% of your trades and lose the rest, you're still profitable, okay? If you're at 1 to 3, that means you could lose up to 60% of your trades and you'll still be profitable, guys. So basically what we are saying is you don't have to win all the trades. And if somebody is telling you that they win all they have a strategy that wins all their trades, then they are lying to you guys, okay? So the setup here is very simple, guys, because I don't want to keep this too long. So basically what I'm going to do is let me remove all the drawings, okay? So basically I come to the market, okay? This is what we call mechanical trading, okay? And if you learn these skills, guys, you're going to be making money online, okay? Using our fast money strategy, and in this case, Forex trading. Now, the same skill, once you learn this skill, you can apply this skill to stock trading. You can apply the same skill to crypto trading. Even though cryptos are volatile, there are many other things we're going to discuss in our next training, next video. That's why I'm telling you guys, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you join some of our communities, okay? The links are all in the description, guys, okay? Don't be lazy. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell notification. So when I upload the next video, guys, you can be alerted so you can jump in and get the training, because these are free trainings that we are giving. And some of this experience that we are sharing with you, you cannot find it anywhere, okay? Some of the information that I'm sharing with you, you will not find it anywhere. You have to watch like 100 different videos, people giving you, they give you a little bit here and there, but right now I'm giving you everything that you can just take it and run with it, okay, and start making money, okay? But of course, you got to practice this on a demo first. Make sure you master the skill, master the strategy, understand the psychology in the market, understand what is going on, the price action, what is going on in the market right now, okay? So basically what I'm looking for here, I'm looking for top bottoms, and that's what we are looking for, yeah? The double tops or the double bottoms, okay? Very simple strategy, double bottoms or double tops, okay? And then we're going to use these two indicators to confirm our findings, and we take a trade, okay? So with those three convergences, if the three agree, we take the trade. If they don't agree, then we are not going to take the trade. We just want to increase our probability of winning this trade, guys. And that's why you can see I have these two indicators here, the MACD and the RSI. The RSI, will be looking at the divergence on the RSI. Okay, the different, you can see like this one here is showing you that it is going up because this one is higher than this point here. This point here is lower than this point. This point here is higher than this point. And you can see the MACD, actually that's what happens. The blue line on the MACD is an average of the shorter EMAs, okay, the shorter EMAs. You can see that those are moving averages, exponential moving averages. So the shorter the blue line indicate, when the blue line is above the red line, when it crosses it and goes above the red line, you can see it's a bullish trend, and you can see actually it is going up. So you get to see a lot of green candles, and you can see it's like an upward trend right there. If I come here and draw a trend line, you can see, guys, this was an upward trend right there. You can see that, right? You can see that, okay? That was an upward trend. So again, when we come here, you can see the blue line has crossed the red line and it is below the red line. And what do you see? We see a bearish trend here. You can see it is going down. So if I put my trend line there, you can see it is a downward trend at that particular point. You can see, guys, this is going down. You can see that. That is going down. This is going up. And over here, you can see the blue line crosses the red line. And what is happening? It is going up. Let's put a trend line there. You can see it is actually going up. Okay. Now, guys, is anybody has a question now? Let me see on the chat box if you have any question. This should be very simple. Okay. All I'm doing is looking at the trends. Right now, I can see this is going up. So if I was to enter at any of this, if I just open my laptop and the first thing I see is this, and if I really wanted to just jump in and get out, what will I do here? I will take a long trade, right? Because I'm bullish. I know the market is going up. So I would come here and just click and take a profit, and I'll go for a long, what we call a buy. I'm just going to buy, right? I'm not going to sell. I'm going to buy because it is going up. So when we buy when the market is going up, okay, and we sell when the market is going down. Okay, guys? So in a case like this, I will sell because the market is going down. Here, I will buy. And where do you want to buy? You want to buy down here. When the market starts going up, that's when you want to buy. You don't want to buy at the top here because you can see right now it's going to start going down. So if you buy at the top here, what's going to happen? You're going to be held, you're going to make a loss, right? Because now the price is going down. You bought it at this high price here, and now it starts going down. You lose. You'll be in the red. You'll be in the red, my friend. So you want to buy down here as it starts going up, so you can ride it up all the way up here. Take your profit here, okay? So you sell up here, and then let it ride down, buy again, go up, sell, buy again, sell. So it's buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, okay? Now, for us, for this strategy to work successfully, guys, okay, let's see. Anybody has a question? Tajimoto, anybody with a question? Tajimoto in Tokyo, anybody in your group has a question? Mr. Singh, Bombay, anybody has a question? I know you guys have a bunch of groups in your training rooms there. Anybody has a question? Fair enough. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward, guys. Now, if you are seeing this for the first time, it may make not sense to you because you don't know what green and what red is, but I've quickly explained to you that when it is green, that means it's going up. It starts at the bottom of the candle and it closes at the top. Now, sometimes we have these thin lines at the top. They're called the wicks. That means the market did push further than it closed. So it pushed all the way up there and then came down here and closed right there. Same thing with when it started. So it started here, it pushed further down and then came back and went all the way up here and then came down and closed right there. Okay. So this is a bearish candle with some wick. Okay. Same thing here. This is a red candle. You can see the candle it starts from the top Okay, went all the way up there, and then it pushed further down, all the way down here, and then pushed up here and closed up here. That's why we have a long wick on the top and a short one on the bottom. Okay, so it's just a market psychology. People decide, okay, now we're gonna sell. So more sellers than buyers produces a red candle. More buyers than sellers, you have a green candle. It's bullish. Okay, the price is going up. Everybody is excited. Everybody's buying all the way to the top, and then they realize, oh no, we need to sell, no momentum. They start selling, then it goes crumbling down. Big money comes in and they start crumbling, taking all your monies all the way down. Okay, so most of the retailers get in late. Okay, because you can see this trend started down here, so the big money probably came in here, but most of the retailers are going to be caught up here, and of course the big money is going to sell, and they're going to collect all their profits down here, and you're left holding the bag. So you want to behave just like the big boys, okay? So you have to use what we call technical analysis, the mechanical trading systems that we teach in the Smart Wolf Club. And we do this one-on-one, okay? So if you want to be trained by one of our coaches one-on-one, you can send us an email at info@smartwolfclub.com. Okay, the email address is actually in the description, not on the comments, guys. Okay, anything that's on the comments, email, phone numbers, WhatsApp groups on the comments, those are scammers. Okay, don't be scammed. We put our contacts, our groups in the description because we have control of the description box. We don't have control on the comments section. Comment section, all we can do is if you have a question, you can put it there. We'll answer it, but we are not going to give you WhatsApp numbers, email addresses in the comment section because that's where the scammers are. So be careful before you give anybody your money. Don't give anybody your money unless you are so sure you've done your due diligence, okay? There are a lot of scammers online, okay? So be careful, guys, okay? I don't want anybody losing their hard-earned cash because some scammer took the money from you. They promise you riches. They tell you they're going to make 5,000%. That doesn't happen, okay? So guys, so basically what I'm showing you here is we're going to look for the double bottoms. We can see here we already have a double top here. You can see that's a double top. And how we're going to plot this is we're going to draw our lines, okay? So I'm going to take the arrow and I'm going to put it from here. I'm going to come from here to here, okay? That's going up. That's one leg of the double top, okay? The second leg of the double top is that one right there, comes down there, and then the third leg of the double top is this one right here, goes up there, and then of course the fourth leg of the double top is this one, guys. And you can see it comes all the way down here. We're going to write it down there. Okay, let me remove this. Remove that. There we go. All right, so our work is half done. It's not done yet, but it is half done. Okay, so then what I do is I take a line, okay, just a horizontal line, because I want to be sure. So we go right here where there are lines, and you're going to look for a horizontal line, and I put it right there. That is the tip of our, right there. You can see that. So it goes up. This is the double top, okay? And this is the point there, the midpoint of our double top, okay? And this is, you can see it goes up like that. And you can see where it comes in here and it goes up there. And you can see what's going on here. Guys, what can you see here? What can you see, guys? What can somebody tell me here? It forms. What is it forming? It forms a support and resistance, right? So we have a resistance line here where we can come in and trade. So I'm going to come here and pick. So it shows there's some support here. So we'll come here and look for our long position because we're going to go up, and we'll put it right there. And you can see all the way to the top. We're going to put our take profit right there. So this is where we're going to put our take profit. And the ratio here is 1:1, okay? And then it tells you where to put your profit, loss. This is where you're going to put your stop loss. We talk about 3, so we're going to put it right there. Right there, we're going to put our stop loss there, and our take profit is going to go all the way up. We're going to expand this. Okay, there you go. We're going to expand this to that position, and we're going to put that there. All right, so that's our take profit. And we're going to bring our stop loss a little bit down because it's now at least it's at 5. 1 to 5, but we want the risk to, 3. It's about 3.9, okay? So this would be my stop loss down here. This is where I'm going to enter, and this would be the upper part here would be my take profit right here. This one right here. Okay, so that would be my take profit right there at the top right here. We're going to take profit right there. So we'll enter here, and we will ride it all the way up here, where you can see right there. This is where we're going to ride it all the way up there. Okay, and that ratio, risk to reward ratio, is 4.7. Okay, and you can see the number of pips is like 217 pips. Okay, so you guys know what the pips are. For this particular pair, 1 pip is $1. Okay, I mean 1 pip, one number. So depending on your lot size, of course, I shouldn't say it's $1. Depending on your lot size, your investment. Some people would be trading. This can make you a lot of money. If let's say your lot size was $1, this is already 217 right there. Okay, $217 profit. Okay. The time I'm using here is the 15-minute time because somebody is asking on the chat box what is the time frame. So we are using the 15-minute time frame, and of course the indicators are there, and this is GBP. And you can see, guys, the confirmation for this trade. You can see, guys, right here. This is where you can see this goes down. You can see this, the blue line crosses the red line going down. And what did we say? That when it's crossing, you can see what happens when they are crossing. You can see it is going down. Okay, and then you can see the divergency on the RSI. This one is higher than that, and this one is higher than that, like that. And then, of course, it goes all the way down. So there is some divergency there that allows us to enter this trade. Okay, let me see if I can find a double bottom. That was a double top. Example of a double top. Let's see. Let me remove the drawings. Okay, I did remove the drawings. So let's look for a setup that allows us to find the okay, let's see if we can find okay, see this one here. Okay, guys, I'm looking for a good setup here that will show you the. I'm going to remove the MACD at the moment, okay, so that we have more room for us to see. It's confusing for some of you. So I just removed it and I'll put it back. So you can see here what's going on here. Do we have a double bottom here, guys? We are looking for a double bottom. We just had a double top. Let's look for a double bottom. Now, sometimes that's why you have to take, you don't have to take trades every day or every minute, because sometimes you come in here and you cannot see a good setup, okay? That's not the time to take a trade. If you can see your criteria is not being met in the market, then you don't have to trade, okay? But if we scour here, we can be looking and see if we can find what we need, okay? I think there's one here. Okay, that would have given us a few pips here. You can see this one here. Goes up there, comes down here, and it goes up like that. And this comes down here. So we can draw the line so you guys can see them. Okay, so you just start from there and draw the line all the way there. And then we come back again, take another line, draw the line. All right, let's get another line. The arrow there. Okay, there is a line. I think it's just not responding very well. Okay, so we come here, we draw the line. Okay, there you go. And then we come again, draw, because there have to be 4 of them. Down, there we go, to there. There we go. Then get another one. Draw another one, so that goes up that way. All right, and then we draw our line here, our horizontal line, which is our support. So we're going to take the trade at a support position right there. That's our support, okay? So you guys can see, then we can ride this all the way up there. So how do we find our stop loss and our take profit? Okay, our stop loss is going to be the base of this. Okay, so we're going to put our stop loss down here. Our stop loss is going to be the base of this, which is right here. I'm going to look at the candle bodies. There we go. That's where our stop loss is going to be. This line here would be our stop loss. This line right here. And our take profit line would be the shorter of these support lines here, which is this one here. So what I'll do, I'll measure that distance. I'll get an arrow and measure the distance from this line to here. Let's get a measuring thing here. So I'm just going to measure the distance from there. So it will be right there and up to here. There, and then we're going to move that way. So this is going to be my take profit right there. So I'm going to bring a line. There is a line, and I'm going to put a line right there. So that will be my take profit. Okay. So this would be my stop loss. This is where I'm going to enter the trade right here at this candle here, beginning of this candle. I'm going to enter here, and I'm going to take profit there. Okay, before it starts coming down. And I'm going to put my stop loss right there, okay? So if we bring the long, this one here, it's going to tell us how much risk to reward ratio. So I'm going to take the trade right there, and I'm going to squeeze this to my stop loss. There you go. And this is our take profit right there. You can see it's a 1.08 risk to reward ratio. Okay, now if we want to expand that to 3, we could actually go this way. We could go all the way if we want to make that a 3. Okay, there we go. That's 275. And let's go to 3. Let's go to a 3. That's a 4. We could have even gone further. You can see this could be a big trade of, there's a risk to reward ratio of a 12.24. Okay, and it never hits our stop loss. You can see here we would still be in the market, and we could ride this all the way to that level right there. We would have a 12.24. Normally I tell you to do 1 to 3 or 1 to 4, 1 to 5, depending on your risk tolerance. Okay, so we can go to 1 to 3. That's 1.1 to 3. There, this is 1.3. So it will be we would be out of the market here when it's actually starting to pump. So that's why I was saying this trade, if we stuck into this trade, you could modify your take profit. You know, you could have a trailing take profit. So you can be taking profit on the way, all the way to this, which is give you a 12.56 risk to reward ratio. And you can see this is more than 400 and something pips. Okay. So if you are trading a dollar size, lot size of $1, you would be making 400 and something, $413 profit. Now, if you are doing a $10 lot size, my friend, you'd be making 4,000 and something. And this is a 15. These are 15-minute candles. So this will be in less than how many hours are this? This would be like less than a day. Seriously, this is how many candles? We can count them. 1, 2, 3. Because you'll be out of the market here. You can see right here. Take profit is right there. So you'll be taking your profit at this line here. Let me just show you where you would be, guys. Look, you'll be up here. So the first one to hit that line is this. This would be your trailing or modified take profit line right here. Down there. You see where it is up here? Guys, so you can count these candles and see how much time that was. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, we can check the time here. So it was 4:30 to it's 10:30. 16 hours, 12 hours. Yeah, so that's just a day. I mean, 12 hours. If you held this trade for 12 hours, is that 12 hours? Let's count this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 8 hours, because 16:30 minus 4:30. That's 8 hours. $16.30 minus 4:30. No, that's 12 hours exactly. Yeah, 12 hours. So if you held this for 12 hours, you would be like 4,000. For those of you who are trading using like the $10 lot size, I mean $10 lot size. That means if your account is about 100,000, using different leverages, margins. If let's say your account is 100,000 and you are trading the $10 lot size, and you make this a number of pips, 413. You see, you're talking about $4,000 made in 12 hours. So for over $4,000 made in 12 hours, less than 12 hours, man. And how much time did it take us to find this? Very short time. Okay. So guys, I would like you to go back and watch this. Okay. Just understand the psychology, my reasoning, my analysis. Okay. You may have to rewatch this many times for those of you who are new, but I can see some guys are already check marking this and smiling because they understand the concept. Okay. So all this comes with training and practice, and we can show you one-on-one. Okay. Just get in touch with one of us. We have the email address. Okay. In the description, just email saying you want to a one-on-one, and one of our coaches is going to show you how to do this one-on-one. Okay, get on a Zoom call or Google Meet, whatever you guys like, Facebook Live, and they're going to show you exactly how to do this at the comfort of your home. Okay, it might take a few sessions. Okay, some people it takes them a week, some people it takes them 3 weeks, some people it takes 3 months, depending on your ability to understand this and where you're coming from, your experience. Okay, some people are already experienced. Now we only work with very serious people. Okay, so it's not everybody. Our time is limited. Okay, and it's valuable for somebody to train you one-on-one. It's valuable. Okay, so our time is extremely valuable. So it's gonna probably cost you some money to be trained one-on-one. Excuse me, but we've done it, we do it, and right now I have a student I'm working with right here. This strategy, as I'm sharing with you guys with her permission, I'm sharing the strategy with you guys while she's learning how to navigate this fast money strategy and start making money. Okay, guys, so I've just shown you how you can make over $4,000 in 12 hours using a very simple strategy. Did we use any expensive or no? All these indicators were free. The MACD is free. The RSI is free. These lines are free. You can draw as many lines as you like. This tool is free. It's right here for free. TradingView is free, no subscription. So put your credit card away. The only thing you're going to need is money to trade in your broker's account. Now, if brokerage account now. So for somebody who is trading, let's say $100,000 account, and they're using a $10 size lot size, this would mean $4,000 and over $4,000 made in less than 12 hours, guys. You can see that. So if you do that 2 or 3 times a week, you know, you'll be making good money, okay? More than any other jobs can pay you just by learning this strategy, okay? So guys, let's go out there and learn. The master teacher, I'm a believer, so let's say a word of prayer. Father, before we end this training, I'd like to say that those who practice and apply this strategy, they will become successful in the markets, and they can start making money online for their families, friends, charities, anything, any cause that they have, and meet their dreams. I pray this in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Thank you, guys. So go out there and practice this, okay? And if you have any questions, you can leave questions on the comment section of this video. For those of you who are watching on YouTube, those of you who are live, we've been answering the questions. My VAs have been answering the questions on the chat box, and the ones that they cannot answer, I'm going to personally answer those questions, okay? If you want to get hold of us and you want to be part of the community, go ahead and join the Smart Wolf Club community. If you have any questions, send me an email, okay? You can send me an email, and the email address is in the comment section, is in the description. You can also join our Telegram group. There's one there. The links are in the description. You can also join our, if you don't like Telegram, we have a WhatsApp group. You can join that and ask your questions, okay? Guys, when you come to those groups, don't just look around and see who is asking. Everybody has their own unique needs. And the master teacher says, if you knock, the door shall be open. If you ask the right questions, you will get the right answers. If you come and be quiet and just assume that somebody is going to give you something, somebody does not know your problems. Everybody has their own unique problems. So they say the squeaky wheel gets the oil. Whoever is asking the most questions is going to get all the answers, and they become successful. I've seen that I've been training thousands of students over the years. Students that are hungry, students that ask questions end up doing very, very well. Some of them are our coaches here now. They're working with us as coaches. They have been very successful in what they do. Okay, guys, right here I do see a very nice double tops here. Okay, you can see a double top right there. You see that double top? Double top right there. If you jumped in here and you could get out here, you can accumulate a few pips here while this is going down. And then I do see a double bottom here. Again, if you jump in here and you can ride that all up here, you could be in the money, guys. So that's what I'm talking about. These opportunities come for those people who are looking for. opportunity. I just came over here and I was looking at the chart and I could see the opportunity for you to make money. So the opportunities are there. Go ahead. Just need to work on your mindset and your belief, your confidence, the FCC, and we can help you in the Smart Wolf Club community. Go ahead and join the community, subscribe to the channel, and be part of this journey. Okay? So, guys, good night, goodbye, and have a nice time. We'll see you next time for the other training. Okay? Thank you. I don't really know what comes